Okay, this is the Rain by Swagger litter. These are the 3 little girls. And you can see this one has a black ear. Yes, Mommy. I love you too. The center one is tricolor and has a black croup at the base of the tail. And on this side, she has a black side of her head. And the other little girl is all white. Okay, now we'll get the little boys. Rain is such a good mama. Okay, so at exactly 1 week old, the little boy on the left here has 2 black ears. Rain, lie down with Daddy. And black on the tail. It's going to have a white tip on the tail, the way we cropped it. Center boy is tricolored and has black on both sides of his head. She just jumped in. Okay, and the other little boy, the third little boy, is all white, just like his little sister. So this is the litter. We have 3 deposits. We'll be accepting 2 more. So, if you're interested in one of these pups, please let us know. Thank you very much. Week 1.